Hi guys, for this project we need some balls of yarn, a crochet hook which is I would say 5mm crochet hook, and a tapestry needle for weaving the ends, and also a pair of scissors.
For the yarns we need 2 balls of red and 1 ball of white, which are 250 meters each. So in total we need about 500 meters for this specific scarf, only for red color.
So to start with chains, and because we wanna crochet this scarf vertically, so we're going to chain for the length of the scarf, and we start with just a knot. That's a knot. And now we chain to our desired length. As long as you want your scarf to be, you have to chain to reach that length.
Okay, so I've already done my foundation chains for this scarf, and here it is. It's about 1.75 meters long, and I did about 340 chains to reach this length. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to start when you finalized your foundation chain. So I'm gonna show you the first row, if you can see this. Yeah, for row 1 you skip the first chain from the hook, and then in the next chain we do a half double crochet. So wrap your yarn around your crochet hook, then insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and when you have 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. Like this. I'm gonna show you one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over again and pull through all of the loops. Like this. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And you need to do half double crochet in each chain for the row 1 and till the end of the row. So I'm gonna meet you back again here, right here. Okay, I have 2 more chains left, and it means that I need to do 2 more half double crochet to finish this row. Also the last one, like this. And yeah, okay, this is how our first row should looks like. And now to start the next row, first we need to just chain 2, turn your work, and from here you should repeat the first row again, just half double crochet in each stitch, like this. And please remember that you need to insert your hook into both loops, not just the back loop or the front loop. You need to insert your hook into both loops and do the half double crochet.
And we do these thing all the way around, and again 2 more chains, turn your work and do the same repeated row to reach the desired length. And here I've done several rows, and I need to continue half double crochet to reach. I need it to be something like 14 centimeters. I would say about 6 or 5.5 inches. To reach that width, you need to continue doing half double crochet rows to reach the desired width, okay? And then I will meet you back again. Okay, now it's all done. I've crocheted about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18 and 19. I've crocheted 19 rows, and it's about about 5.5 inches, a little bit more, about 6 inches, and the length is also about 2 meters. Now it's time for the edge. We're going to crochet the edge of our scarf together. You can bring any kinds of yarn. You can use a white yarn as well, or any kind of colors. It doesn't matter what it is. So now we just make a slip knot. Just a slip knot. Here we go. And now find the edge of our work, and you can see here, and I insert my hook into the stitch and then bring the yarn into the hole. Then carry the yarns behind your work, so you don't need to weave in the ends at the end. It's easier to just do this. Then chain 2, 1 and 2. Then we just do
5 double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over again and pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through all the remaining loops like this. Again, our second double crochet, insert our hook, pull up a loop and do another double crochet. As you can see here, again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops again. The chain 2 also counts as a 1 double crochet, so I did 4 double crochet here, and we need another one, the 5th one. Then what we need to do is just make a slip stitch into the same stitch like this and just pull through the loop. Then insert your hook into the next chain here and do another slip stitch. And then start doing 5 double crochet into the same stitch. Let me do this. One, two, three, four, and then 5. Okay, look at this beauty. It's so beautiful. It looks something like this. If you do the last slip stitch into the same stitch like this, it would look like this. And another slip stitch into the next chain.
You need to do this all the way around in every stitch and all over the scarf.
I'll show you one more time. This chain 2 counts as a double crochet, as I said, so we need to do 4 more double crochet into the same stitch. So we do that. Four and 5. Slip stitch. Then in the next stitch we do another slip stitch, and then chain 2. And 5. Like this.
And yeah, do this all the way around your scarf, and then I will meet you back again when we finish the whole length and we came back to attach ending and starting part together. Okay, this was my last bubble stitch, and then after you did the last slip stitch into same stitch, then you need to slip stitch into this first chain as well that you did a bubble stitch. You need to do another slip stitch into the stitch of the first bubble stitch, and then chain 1 and cut up the yarn. That was that, and your beautiful scarf muffler is ready to wear.